Okay, so if you stand here with your left hand overhand and your right hand underhand, left over, right under, you would bring your right to the front, left to the back, and then this is one of them. And in a sense, I feel like this one feels a little bit more balanced because one, I don't know, the motions, they're both coming up, then they're both going down. They both come up from the bottom, they both go down from the top. Okay, you're bringing your hands to the inside on the front. I'm keeping them on the outside. So you're doing this. You were also in the opposite direction I was in, so you did left, under, right, up. Okay, so you came in like this in between the arms, here, and then to the outside. I'm leaving it on the outside the whole time, which might be easier. When the left is in the front and the right is in the back, and the left is underhand and the right is overhand, they both go across the top, then they both go across the bottom. Then they both go across the top, then the bottom. For homework, you can play with both opposite direction 2-petal flowers as some new stuff. So what we just did was right hand overhand. Here's your summary. Right hand overhand, left hand underhand. This one is what we just did. Right hand overhand where it goes like this, and left hand underhand where it goes like this. And then when you start out, you go, if the right's in front, left's in back, you go across the bottom, then across the top, then across the bottom, then across the top. Then the other direction of it, so this would be like if you were in underhand opposite butterfly and you turn to your right to start that one. Now, if you were in underhand opposite butterfly and you turn to your left hand will be overhand, and it'll still do the same thing you did in the overhand, same direction version on the outside. And then your right hand will be an underhand, and it'll do the same thing it did in the underhand, the same direction. So you're here like this, left and front, right and back, and then you go across the bottom, across the top, across the bottom, across the top, like that. And then if you get those, you can work on doing some version of this turnaround between them.